us up. Start to move. 1, 2, 3. Attack. Oh! We press. You guys move out as we press and go back out around. Head down, we follow. Head back, we follow. Okay. So remember the advanced version that I gave you for that? Come to the center, Chris. Okay. So this is one of the ideas of Nihonme. And you should go big for your attack. This is different. This is the differences between 2 and 6. In 6 rather, we just go short like this, over in kote. In 2, we go way up and attack kote. Okay, that's the differences in where you're attacking with each one. Okay, so now on this one, I press him. When he goes way up, he's coming for my hand, and go right. Yeah. So this is why this attack should be just here, and this is why I do that again, Chris. Ready? This is why we do this. We're really getting our hand just below the attack. We're not thinking that it doesn't go to the floor, so it doesn't. We only need to get here to get below this attack. That's one of the parts of it. Okay? And we also get out of the way. See? And I get out of the way with it. So not only am I lowering my hands, but I'm moving to the outside. We're going to do this with it now. Normally we do this, up and hit, right? Now, because we have an upstroke, we're going to go down and here and cut up this way. Boom, and cut. Okay? So make yourself, I'm modifying this a little bit from the last time, so watch. Make this a little bit so that it comes on this angle. It doesn't have to go so much straight. Think of it coming up, boom, and out. See, my hand is turned this way, boom, boom. So we'll cut them on the way up, cut them on the way down. We're adding that turning and coming up. All right? So let's call this the advanced version of number 2. All right, ready? We could do the whole thing. Chris's side over there is going to be uchidachi. He's going to bring us up. Okay, we walk in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we press here. He comes in. Oh! Now watch this sensitivity here. He's going to stay there. As I bring this up, now he moves away. Then I shift over. That'll be the timing there. Okay? He heads down, I head down. He heads back, I head back. Right, moichido. Nihonme. They bring us up. They enter, we enter. We give them an invitation to bait them. 1, yep, pull! We lift, and they move away. They move back around to the center. They head down, we head down. They head back, we head back.